Hello students, I am Nidhi Srivastava, teacher from Sheikh Vidya Mandir, English High School and Junior College. Today I am going to teach you computer subject for Standard 4, Chapter 1, Applications of Computers. So let's start. Applications of computers. The computer is a wonderful machine. Its various uses in different fields have made our life easier. The applications of computers are numerous, be it in schools, at home, or in space technology. In homes, computers are used in homes for playing games, listening to music, watching movies, drawing pictures, writing letters, storing addresses and telephone numbers, keep track of monthly expenditure. Applications of computers. See, this is the pic. Computers are also used for educational aids, for gathering information on any subject, performing calculations, and working on assignments. In schools, computers are used in schools by teachers for preparing lessons, teaching different subjects, using CDs, and making report cards. In schools, students use computers for preparing projects and learning different subjects. Topic of school. Media and entertainment. Computers have made it really easy to make cartoon films. Animation is the process of creating many still images. These images, when played sequentially, create a motion picture. Disney's Toy Story, made in 1995, was the first full-length computer animated film. In offices, computers help in storing and maintaining data. Information can be easily saved and retrieved by using the computer. Important information can be communicated to colleagues via emails. Topic of an office. In libraries, computers are used in libraries to keep record of books. This is done by entering data on issue or return of books and maintaining a list of borrowed books. A database of all the books available in the library can also be maintained on a computer. See this pic? Medicine. Computers are widely used in the field of medicine. Computers are used to maintain medical records for future reference. Computerized equipment is used for medical tests and surgeries in hospitals. They help in recording information concerning patients' health. Hospitals. Airline and railway reservation. Computers are used for booking tickets and making inquiries for airline and railways with the help of computer reservation system. This system enables people to book their tickets from any town or city. See? Steps for booking a ticket are as follows. The entire information is fed into the computer by the booking personnel. The availability of tickets is checked. If the tickets are available, they are booked and issued to the customer. This new information is then updated immediately on the computer reservation system and the latest status is displayed. Computers are used in banks for checking and updating customers' account details and available balance, calculating interest, verifying checks, and printing account statements. Banks have installed automated teller machines, that is ATMs. They are connected to the central computer of the bank. ATMs help customers in withdrawing money. This is a pic of a bank. Designing. Architects use the computer for designing buildings and houses. Engineers design cars, aeroplanes, etc. on computers. A dress designer uses the computer to design dress. In defense, computers play an important role in the design and operation of modern weapons and missiles. Desktop publishing. Computers are used to create documents such as newsletters and books for commercial printing. This is called desktop publishing. In shops and hotels, computers are used in shops and hotels for maintaining records of stocks and prices of items. Computers are also used for preparing bills. This is a pic of a shopping mall. Computer-controlled cameras, CCTV. Many banks, stores, and schools use CCTVs to keep a watch on people's activities. This helps to catch theft in banks or stores. Doctors use tiny cameras to look inside the human body for diagnosing diseases. This is CCTV. Space technology and weather forecasting. Computers find a major use in space technology. Computers are used for making rockets, satellites, and spaceships. They also help in analyzing the data sent by astronauts and spaceships. The data sent by satellites is used for weather forecasting. Robots. Robots are human-like machines guided and controlled by computers. They can do some tasks that humans cannot. Robots can handle chemicals that are too dangerous for humans to touch. Robots can go to dangerous places such as deep underwater to search for sunken ships or look for mineral deposits. Robots can also go inside active volcanoes. Robots help explore other planets. Robots help doctors perform operations. The robots. Thank you.